everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sama and this is my first video, so I was thinking about what kind of video to do as a first video, and then I was like, you know what, let me just do something, right? Just start. So I'm starting with this one, which is just an evening routine, what I do when I just leave work and come home. So I just got from work, I changed into my pajamas, got comfortable, and this is not my kind of really. I'm gonna remove these glasses because no point for them, right? As I was saying, it's not really my evening routine because today my apartment is a big mess. So I'm gonna clean up everything, we'll do the dishes, we'll cook for tonight's dinner and tomorrow's lunch, I guess. Yes, because I take something with me all the time for lunch, for work. And that's it. So yes, look at the big mess and let's get started. So I have put some potatoes here. I have put them to boil. I didn't put anything, any salt, any pepper, nothing. I will wait for them until they boil properly and they become really soft. And then I'm gonna remove the water. And then the salmon, I have put just olive oil, salt and thyme. That's it. I didn't put anything else. And now you guys, we will clean up. It's right now 8 p.m. I have a lot of things everywhere. I have to change the sheets, to change the towels. So, yep, let's go. So now that the apartment is all clean and cozy and I have put the candles and everything is clean, like all the sitting area and the bed as well, and my desktop, well, I have left the laptops there because I need them for work. So now lunch for tomorrow is still cooking. The potatoes, they're still cooking. Now for the clothes, we will go to put the clothes to dry and then I'm gonna go take a shower because I need it. I have done a very good job, in my opinion. So yeah, and this is for the candles. This is my entrance area. This is my entrance door, and like since I have enough space here. I most of the time put the clothes to dry here because I don't have any other place to do it. Yes, let's go, right? And that's it. Now I'm gonna let them here just to dry. It will take at least 2 days and 1.5 days if I leave the window open, which during winter here in France it's not easy, right? So now I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair because I already did, and I just wash it 2 times a week, I guess. Yes, 2 times a week. So yeah, now we'll go to the shower. See you later. You guys, I'm gonna show you it's done. So for 2 times I'm gonna wait for them to get cold, and we'll then put them in the fridge and take one for tomorrow and another one for after tomorrow. I'm done with the shower. I have done my skincare routine. I prepared everything for tomorrow. Now I will have dinner and just clean up the last things, edit a little bit most probably, and then go to sleep. Well, you guys, I just finished dinner. It was so good. It's a restaurant here in Bordeaux. I mean Mérignac, just not so far from Bordeaux. Now I'm gonna get ready to sleep since tomorrow I'm starting work at 9:30 AM. It's 10 PM. I will try to edit as I said before if I can. If I can't and I fall asleep, then we'll leave that for tomorrow. I mean, my hair, it's kind of dirty, but I'm gonna, I mean, not that dirty, but I'm feeling it, you know. You cannot see it, but you can feel it. So I will just wash it, I guess tomorrow. I don't know. Sorry, I was looking to my hair. I wish you really liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and let me know what you do usually during your evening routines when you are back from work or from school. Just let me know, and of course subscribe if you like anything I do. I will be sharing more about my life, my trips and everything. And if you want anything, you want me to do any kind of video, please just let me know in the comments. It will be a pleasure to do so. So now I'm gonna tell you good night, have sweet dreams, and see you next time.